After 1 year and a few months, YouTube decided to remove my award-winning Binance peer-to-peer video based on the fact that it violated their policy. This is how it started. Welcome to my channel. This is Mike Akiride, aka Also Mike. So in this video, I will just be sharing with you the reason why YouTube decided to remove my award-winning Binance video on peer-to-peer. So I got that notification in my email telling me that my YouTube video peer-to-peer has been removed. Well, and they said I can actually give it a review, and if I see that they have done that wrongly, I could appeal. And I did, of course, appeal, but they replied me again that that is their final decision. So I decided to watch the video based on the condition that they gave me. They said in the video there was a part where I revealed my own information, my banking details. I think that was where I was trying to make transaction, like what I was trying to transfer money to the seller. It was a video about peer-to-peer, right? So I was the one trying to buy, and I was trying to buy there. So I think it was in the process I revealed my information, my banking details. So since it's a peer-to-peer trading video, of course I think I've revealed the place where I was trying to make transfer to the seller, right? So because I was the one buying. I just want to give you these tips, guys. If you are making videos about the market or crypto, make sure that you go through the YouTube policy very well and understand it, right? Even though I'm not so sure if this policy was in place when I made that video, because after 1 year and few months they removed my peer-to-peer video, so I have to create another one from scratch, right? So that is just the information I want to pass to you guys. So make sure that you review the YouTube policy very well, right, before you go ahead and create your video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if this tips is helpful to you, let me know, put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and also don't forget to follow me if you're watching this on TikTok. All right, so make sure you follow me so that you can get more tips like this. All right, it can help you to grow your YouTube channel. I can help you not to get your video removed from your channel, just like mine, right? And also, if you want to learn about cryptocurrency trading and investing, then reach out to me, let me know, and I'm gonna definitely be happy to guide you as well as a beginner. And also, as a beginner, you can go to my website at profittalking.com, where you can subscribe to my 7-day free email course on how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency as a beginner. So thank you very much, guys. Once again, make sure you click like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me if you're watching this video on TikTok. Thank you very much, guys.